So this is day 2 of our Hildegard program. This is the evening meditation. So whenever you're ready, just close your eyes. Just watch your breath for a moment. Really allow yourself to arrive to the here and now. Take a big breath. Let go. Another big breath, and just with a sigh, let go of the day and everything with it. All your thoughts, feelings, worries, happiness and joy, everything. So you can find yourself in a place of neutrality, a place of openness, a place of loving, and turn your attention inward and upward. And stay open to our evening prayer. My day is ending. Spend a moment welcoming the dark. Make friends with the silence of the night. Silence has its own voice. Darkness has its own face. Quiet the voices of the day that are still with you. Listen for the Spirit. Be quiet. Listen. Let the dark show you its face. You will know when it is time for words. Speak softly. Speak slowly. You will be heard. Night prayer. How precious to me is your steadfast love, O God. I take refuge in the shadow of your wings and feast on the abundance of your table. I depend on the river of your gift, for with you is the fountain of life. Only in your light do I see light. Amen. And we allow these wonderful words to take hold in our consciousness, to stay with us. With every breath, we just allow God's, the divine presence, pure love, to embrace us, hold us throughout the night. I am safe in your loving arms. Thank you for praying with me tonight. Baruch Bashan.